Habayakran beginang patay kubor ha ka arpu wehiterik ujeliau arhajar arpulai. Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ulong baka Congress kan kemen bha ladakan la ban penko jubor ke NPP ban ometre lang syuk bat ke BJP. Kelem ke jingdon lang ka BJP. Ka Congress kalong ke bakloi ban ajing kershan bat banetre lang bat ke NPP ha kejela bat kimdon setia ya kanu kejing artatien. Halor ke jingkeli bamenshwa keseng Kongres kala penshtom iginong yalam ka Kongres Legislature Party kata yu Dr. Amprin Lingdo rengkat bagi sangut ke MLA halor ke jinglei ajing kershan ke sorkar MDA ke belam dek NPP haswa ke election MLA arjar arpulai. Banagaliang uba Vincent H. Pala ulong bagani ke jingja ke perbha na ke baja mentah ha ke HADC. Ula pensyai bikilayo ke jing menjur na keseng haswa bagin penyeso bar ke Executive Committee jangka Council. Henry kitu kiwai pat kila lej hinalade ban ajing kershan ke sorkar MDA. Ulong bakseng Kongres kamdon ni kanu kejing persya bane trailang bat ke NPP. Henry namar bakadon ke BJP kumta kimla bane trailang bat keseng BJP. Uba Vincent H. Pala ulong bakseng BJP kamdon ha ke HADC bat Chief Executive Member ubala Syajid urei na keseng NPP. Kadba Deputy CEM undai na Kongres ha ke HADC. Bat habagi siya mekanu karai kan long na kebenta kabha kamiat jangka council. Ulong baladadai badan keseng BJP haki HADC ke Kongres kan amlej ban ajing kershan ya keseng NPP.
Ngan itu hop IP ni klaim join hanong no batrelang bat ke BJP. Nila trelang bat ke UDP sanch pusnam hati por baladat. Nimdon cigar bat ke UDP. Menrei mana kene pergi hap tang khot ke klaim khot ini tang khon kan you shoot paramaki apa khato ki nimdon cigar ban trelang UDP nimdon cigar trelang bat ke parti hendrek cigar jungi bat ka BJP. Ta hangno bat hane council ru bandadan BJP ban trelang ni trelang ideology ke yaper kata ka ini very clear ba ka ji trelang jungi ka dei bat kino ni accept hendrek bat ketika mandate ko ai pai ba Jisha ka discussal commanded at the last election ka ay yung Congress. Chipomut ni job ko to ko. They lock ko amprin upet I kong Grace ipet nang tau bajop upet na kibon ipet Jisha ka to ko ka mandate ki ki ay at council ki ay ka Congress. Kena try pa ka de kamram tu ni pan protect ro ya ka discouncil kata ka daw ni perkhat bahan ni join ni la perkhat bahan nilai syong nilai tier nilai yok ka perwal na high command haswa ba nilai kene kambe ya ba ni sule join bangi yok pisah ko makitu ki bajon menchwa dan ni kampe ko kata kani ni perkat bah daga yo. I think it's not that we are supporting FPP, we are working together in this council. I don't think it's suicidal because why in the election there will be a delimitation. We have a role to play in the delimitation. There will be a amendment of the 6th schedule. We have a role to play for the amendment of the 6th schedule. Rather we sacrifice our interest for the interest of the people. It's not that we work there for our own interest. And if you see the portfolio, Bapanjangan will be looking for those portfolios where we could see that at least the interest of the public will be and the first rather than our own interest. Number one, there's no BJP in these councils. Number one, there's no BJP in this council. And number two is that in the council, the leader will be from NPP, the deputy leader will be from the Congress. So whatever decision we are taking will be for the interest of the council. So there's no BJP in the council. So in the state will remain another question. There's no doubt. We'll take a different issues because the council mainly the land tenure system and the culture. I think that's the main in the council. Whereas in the states we take different issues. We have 74, 75 issues. Departments and different ministries from the center will take up all these issues.
So minus BJP you are willing to support?
Minus BJP we are ready to support, sir.
NPP?
Support, we are ready to work together even. Minus BJP. No? Yes. There's no doubt. Number one, amendment schedule kadai ban penduk bor no ya ki rang bachnong ya ki sim kata ka bai kham tam hayo. Hanu berkom kin introduce no ka election commission kamut mentala da don ke jingye yele election hapo shnong hapo thao kamdei shu ban conduct kis aim lene ke council barobar habadon ke election hapo shnong ke council ka authorized usm ulek ka upek election kisa ai ke sanat ikiram shnong mano bari benjob rekum kalong mentah ka amendment kalong baik direct na ka election commission jong ka state hak ka council kin sala best kata kin selip penilai election. Mut ka bor jong kisim ka bor jong kera personal kamlong kan ni kan man ra pun kajian kata kwe ka ba ka finance example menta nak release pisah napa Delhi release support this council ulek ki ai ketuk pisah ketuk pisah kin audit kemud kam sudan jo ka freehan ko menchwa dadai di collect tax lani kono hadis council mud kis emro gila ban haka ain ka bakin sa frame kat kam ki rules ningi siam ki bon ki menta kanam dei show ka reti ke dustur kalalong no da ka way ka reti la change no ta ka intention jong ni kalong ban protect ban pene ban pensa ban preserve ban promote ji sam dei ban penduk tingi siam ba kane ka way ka long ka padang kamba ka amendment jong ka siksidul ka ngite ban ni don ti hangno nimla ban don hapo state government nimla ban don parliament ngila ban don ru andre ngi batai ro ting accept ra mereka bela ke datang hadis sosial nala kata ha jing ya fail jong ka UDP bat NPP ke jing ayu jong ki khot ini join da kata intention baru ngi ya mixed ka dis council bat ka state ni depan pan ya fair example ha ka por ba doktor mukul ulong chief minister udah kongres hero haka tu ko por ba pencengan ulong UCM udah kongres Andre ba pencengan macam ting nan taban penyok bor ya ki rang ba snong haka tu ko por ba pencengan le cedo supreme court te kam daya ka ke barai ha po state comment le ni ka barul ha po state comment ka di ban rule hadis council kam daya ka no ka jinge tre lang ha po state comment ka di ban long ha council kam long ra kala pan ya fair la de ka jo ka party le ka different party ka council ka don ka jong ka state ka jong ka kata yang ngatrai di pan fair ka state pat ka diskussion kamut hang te ngilong opposition hang ni ngilong ruling kam long ro kata ka anya po council kam don re ka ten schedule mo ka ban disqualify kam don re kata ka ne kata the example man hakini example ku Mairang ang DC Mairang utrelang bat ka ruling ha popor ni klem na congress ni klem expel you ni sya utrela do don na marka ain ka sya tabeli ngim sya te kata ka daw ka jingrung jong ni ha po ka council kamde bay ne kwa kamde da mon re tang ban pne pensa tang nan ta ke interest of the council means interest jong ki kasi jantia bat ki karo jong ni kam tam kasi jantia kan ke discuss interest jong ki nala amen pat ka sedul ka kata ande tang kasi jantia ka kata ki karo ka kata yang popon ki kumbachi katwai tili ki district council ka kata ka daw ni kum ka kam tam ka hills di perkat seni bahagane that I don't want to talk about Mukul, but many people try to convince me, many people try to woo me, many people try to do me. I'm not very cheap actually. I started as a simple layman. I cannot be just carried away by a party. I'll remain with the Congress, always remain with the Congress. Only provided that the Congress will throw me out, that's the but I'll not do. There's no question of me contesting. There's no doubt many of my friends, party workers from other, they used to tell me, why don't you contest from this party, BJP? I've got lots of MP friends, come to BJP, come to NPP, but it's not that. I'm not so cheap, number one. Number two is that, I always remain a simple man. I don't mind whether I lose or I win the election, but I should not surrender my rights. I should not always surrender my values. I should not surrender whatever that intention with the Congress has given me. No question from the NPP, no question from any party. I'll be with the Congress, contest for the Congress, and all of you should support me. I should win back. Yes. Thank you.